Hello, kids! Let's practice reading and learn about what we should do when getting ready for school. Listen carefully and repeat after me. I wake up early. It's your turn to read. I wake up early. I make my bed. Your turn. I make my bed. I take a shower. Your turn. I take a shower. I brush my teeth. Your turn. I brush my teeth. I comb my hair. Your turn. I comb my hair. I wear my school uniform. Your turn. I wear my school uniform. I eat breakfast. Your turn. I eat breakfast. I put on my shoes. Your turn. I put on my shoes. I am ready for school. Your turn. I am ready for school. Thank you for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please click like, subscribe, and share.